Hey guys, what's up? Dale and Caleb here, Top Floors and More. I was just wanting to show you guys a new way that, at least down here in Paducah, Kentucky, nobody else is doing this yet. It's been out for, what, about 2 years, probably? This technique, I don't know why people around here don't use it, but it's like a Scotch-Brite pad, right? And so you put it on your sander, just like you was to sand a wood floor. And so the reason you could do this dry, and what it does is it sands the wax off the floor and you don't have to use stripper. But it can get dusty. So what Caleb does is he puts just enough water on there and the pads last longer and it keeps the dust down. But you no longer have to use all those crazy chemicals, stripping and waxing, falling all over the place. But I'm gonna show you how quick. Go down there and turn, Caleb. Okay. Cut it off. So, do you come back on that path again or just do it once?
It depends on how bad it is, but this time I'm just doing it once.
Okay.
Mix it up.
And so you can tell the difference here. This still needs mopped again because it's got some dust on it. But look how clean it is compared to the other. And so, no more of that craziness. Come over here. And you can see how it's brightened up. Now sometimes you might have to go over it again, but it's still better and it's a lot faster. How long did it take you guys to do that whole area?
Probably about 2 hours. Probably.
Yeah, a couple hours.
So it took you like 2 hours. You probably gotta mop it again. But the whole thing is stripped. If you was doing this the old-fashioned way,
Yeah.
where would you be
That's
at?
just half a day right there.
Yeah, at least
Where would you
5,
be
6
at just
hours.
stripping? I mean, if you was doing it with stripper.
I'd still be on that first 3 sections up there.
So
Probably,
you'd
probably
still-
on the 3rd section down
So
there.
you wouldn't even be to the shooting line
No.
yet, to the free throw.
No.
Okay. And let's see, come over here, let's, look how this turned out. You look down that hallway, bathrooms. Boom. Now, what do you use to put the wax on with?
I use a microfiber, which is in the washroom.
Okay, it's a microfiber pad that it's made specifically for waxing. And so what it is, it's kind of like, looks like a little dust mop that you can buy for your house, except we buy the industrial one with a telescopic lens. But instead of using a mop bucket and pouring your wax in there and using a mop and getting it everywhere and having stuff in your wax, what you do is you just take your jug, and I've got another video, and you just pour it on the floor and then you spread it with that thing and it pulls all the dirt and everything off with
It
it.
gets it real even too. So it's not a guessing game on how much wax you got in your bucket.
Right.
So
If you guys need an exact detail of the stuff that we're using, just send me an email. They'll reply to this video and I'll be more than happy to send you the links on everything that you need. You guys have a great day. You know we are. Thank you for tuning in to our channel. Hey, I just wanted to share something real quick with you guys. You know that 95% of Americans live paycheck to paycheck. They have less than $500 in their checking account. I was one of them until it all changed. My friend introduced me to the Life app, and it's a cashback app, shopping at places you already shop, earning a free cruise, all kinds of good stuff. So here it is.
Welcome to Life. When you use our app, here's what you get. First, a mobile shopping platform providing convenient, immediate savings on purchases you already make at hundreds of national brands at thousands of locations. Everything from dining to shopping to entertainment and travel. You don't have to change your buying habits. Just change your payment habits to start saving on the ones you already have. Here's how it works. When you're ready to check out at any of our qualifying merchants, simply open the Life app, search for the merchant, enter the exact amount of your purchase and tap Continue. Then tap Complete Purchase. A merchant gift card is instantly sent to your phone. Tell the cashier you'll be paying with an e-card. Have them scan the barcode or read the gift card number aloud. And that's it. You'll receive immediate cash rewards that accumulate and are available for future use. And best of all, these discounts are stackable with any other coupons, offers, or rewards you currently have. Additionally, we've also built in all the savings that Groupon has to offer in your location, so without leaving the app, you can take advantage of those savings too. Second, you'll gain an additional 1% back in our virtual currency called Dibs. Dibs can be earned when making purchases directly from your e-wallet. Dibs can accumulate like frequent flyer miles and can be used immediately on additional purchases, or save them for future purchases. Third, the Life app will also connect you to the greater world of cryptocurrency, including Bitcoin. Fourth, you'll also have the ability to earn trip credits. Credits that can be redeemed for a trip on a Royal Caribbean cruise or even a dream vacation to Hawaii. And last, while using the app for earning, you can also be using it for learning. The app can serve as your financial education platform with access to financial literacy education videos and premium services to give you the tools to get out of debt, stay out of debt, and prosper in any economy. An all-in-one, easy-to-use mobile app.
It's wonderful to spend money, which we got to do anyway, but you get to save.
And I love the app.
It's so easy.
You get to log in and see those savings.
Everybody can use this.
We invite you to try it now.